Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? The intense pressure found in the deep ocean can affect the structure of proteins in fishes' cells, distorting the protein shape. The chemical trimethylamine N oxide (TMAO) counters this effect, ensuring that the proteins retain their original blank. Blank is found in high concentrations in the cells of the deepest dwelling fish. So in the second sentence, it highlights how there's a chemical that ensures that proteins retain their original configurations, and that this chemical is found in high concentrations in ships that dwell deep in the ocean. So now, looking at this sentence, we can clearly see that there's two independent clauses. We'll first with the chemical trimethylamine N oxide ending with configurations, and the second is TMAO to deepest dwelling fish. So because there are two independent clauses here, there must be punctuation that properly separates these two independent clauses. Now, with this information, let's look at the answer choices. A. Configurations period TMAO. So this seems to be the correct answer because the period properly separates these two independent clauses, and the sentence that begins with TMAO logically makes sense. It would say TMAO is found in high concentrations in the cells of the deepest dwelling fish. So because this makes sense logically, A seems to be the correct answer. B. Configurations TMAO, no punctuation. This is incorrect because there is no punctuation to separate these two independent clauses. This would mean that this phrase would result in a run-on sentence where there is two independent clauses with no punctuation or conjunctions to connect them. And because that is the case in option choice B, B is incorrect. C. Configurations, TMAO. This is incorrect because the use of a comma here alone cannot separate two independent clauses. There needs to be a comma and a conjunction. So because there is no conjunction and a comma, C is incorrect. D. Configurations and TMAO. This is incorrect because, as before, to separate these two independent clauses with a conjunction, there needs to be a comma, but because there is only a conjunction here, this conjunction cannot separate these two independent clauses, so D is incorrect. Therefore, we're left with A as the correct answer.